Collab, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a super fun collab with one of my and Greg's good friends, John. So if you guys don't know John Rush, he is a CFL Grey Cup champion for the Winnipeg Blue Bombers, a dog dad to two large rescue dogs, which I'll pop some pictures of them up on the screen, Bone and Bailey. They're like our favorite Instagram dogs. I think Greg and I are obsessed with them, and we hope that our dogs can all have a meetup one day. He also has a blog called Rescue Dog Kitchen where he does vegan recipes, and part of the money from the blog goes towards a dog rescue. And he also sells merch where part of the money as well goes to a dog rescue. So he actually sent us some merch recently for a little like holiday care package. So I'm going to show you guys what he sent us, and then we're going to make one of his recipes today from the Rescue Dog Kitchen. But John is just an amazing animal activist. He works really hard to just help get dogs adopted, mainly out west here in Canada. So I'm just so happy to be supporting him and everything he does. So John and I are actually collabing. He did a video where he did one of the I ate like it's live bee for a day videos. That's kind of like a popular trend on YouTube. And he's done two other videos following the daily meals of two other vegan YouTubers. So I was so honored to be part of that series that he does, but we're doing this collab and I'm just so excited to be supporting him and everything he does. So I'm going to show you guys his merch now because it's really cute. So one of the things he sent us was this tote bag that is full of stuff because I just used it the other day, but it says, "I'm shopping for my dogs." My mom thinks it's hilarious. Yeah. So love this. I actually it's actually a really nice tote bag, like not just the saying, but it also has this little fastener thing. Anyway, it's great. My and Greg's new favorite sweaters. It says, "Dog hair is my new aesthetic." They are eco-friendly, which is similar to the brand that I use for my merch line. So it's just really great. Love that. He sent us some stickers and stuff, which I don't have on hand, but the thing that lives on our espresso machine at all times is this mug. It says "Caffeine and Canines," and it's so cute, and it's what I'm gonna make my coffee in today. But definitely go check it out. All of this stuff is just amazing if you're a dog lover, but it also helps support dogs that are in need. So yeah, thank you so much, John, for sending us this, and thank you for doing this collab. So, I mean, it goes without saying, but definitely go check out his video that he did. It's really funny. Greg and I were laughing like the whole time. He's just so quintessentially Canadian, even though he doesn't think he is. He's like way more Canadian than us, I swear. Hi. So obviously I'm in a different outfit. We had to film this on a different day than when we did the intro. We thought we were going to be able to film that day, but plans change. So we're filming, and I have just been so excited to make this nacho recipe. I've kind of been trying to figure out what recipe I wanted to do, and then I came across these nachos, and he has this whole layering thing going on, and it just looks so good, and I started craving nachos, so I've been waiting for today to make them. So we are going to make a couple changes because I'm not going to use olives. I don't know if this is going to be a debate in the comments, but I think olives have no place on this earth, and I hate them so much. Not just on nachos or pizza, like olives are just a big no for me. Can't do it. So we're gonna just replace it with some red onion just to add some more color along with the green onion. And then we're also going to make a super simple cheese sauce from scratch. So yeah, it's gonna be really good. Oh yeah, and we're gonna add one extra layer to the nachos because John's nachos have a few layers, but Greg thinks that we should try and make like a nacho mountain. We're gonna try and see how many layers we can do to make it look kind of like restaurant nachos. You know when you like they bring out that platter and it's like a peak and then they have everything layered. Not every restaurant does it, but the ones that do always have the best nachos. So that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna chop up the rest of my ingredients, the green onion, the tomato, and then we're gonna make the cheese sauce, and then we are going to assemble it. Sit. Sit. Nope. Sit. Lay down. Wait. Ready? Okay, come in. Good girl. You want to stay outside? It's nice and cold out there. Good girl. Oh, sleepy baby. There was stuff on the top and bottom of that chip, and it was like really good. These are definitely the best nachos I've ever had in my life. Restaurants just can't, you know, they just can't take the time to do the layers. Need some lime. The cheese sauce and the cheese shreds, I think, is the key, because as vegans, we don't have the best cheese options, and usually you have to combine a few things. So doing a sauce and the shreds, amazing flavor, amazing texture, just like genius. I'm gonna be honest, I think they're better now that they don't have olives. John's probably gonna DM me about this, but I don't care, I stand by it.
Good piece. That's it.
Dog hair. Like that cheese sauce?
Oh yeah. Alright. John.
Also, we're engaged.
Oh,
I mentioned it in a video, just like briefly, the one about the bundle.
Oh yeah.
We have nachos at our wedding.
Yes.
Also, if you don't dance when you have a good bite of food, like,
That's true.
who even are you?
High five for nachos.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video collab. I missed doing YouTube collabs. They're like a little bit hard to set up sometimes, but once I do them again, I just love, like, especially with other Canadian YouTubers, it's just so fun being part of a community. So thank you again to John for doing this collab with us. If you guys haven't already, make sure you go check out his video that he made where he ate like me for a day and made all my recipes for a day. And go follow him, go follow Rescue Dog Kitchen, support his website, maybe pick up some merch while you're there. Most importantly, follow his dogs. Like, that's what we're all here for, is the dog content. So make sure you follow him. Again, all his links are below. That is everything for me today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.